All right. Welcome everybody to the Community Sync. My name is Samhita. I'm with the Union AI team and I'm your host today. Please feel free to introduce yourself in the chat. You can put your name and the organization you're from. Let's quickly look at the agenda now. Yeah, so I'll start by going over some logistical details. David will elaborate on the new RFC process and present a lightning talk on Flyte Architecture Diagram. Next, I'll demo the DuckDB and Banana integrations. Finally, Sam Cox will walk us through how Shift Technologies has been using Flyte. So the agenda is open to the community. Please take a look at it if you'd like to access the notes quickly. If anyone's interested in jotting down key points from this community sync, please feel free to do so. You can leave a message in the chat so that we all are aware of who the note taker is. And an FYI, this meeting is being recorded and the recording will be posted on the Flyte YouTube channel in a couple of days. David, do you want to take over the community updates?
Yeah, thank you, Samhita, and hi, everyone. I'm putting here in the chat the link to the PR for what is a proposed update to the RFC process. For context, RFC stands for Request for Comments. It's a kind of process that's been out in open source for quite some time when a project needs to discuss major changes, technical changes, governance changes, anything that could affect the user experience. And considering that Flyte is a graduated project and it's growing every day, we needed to kind of reflect also the recent changes in governance to put emphasis on the role of the steering committee, try to maintain again the ease or the rapid innovation, but also introducing some order in how to discuss and whether how to approve or reject potential major changes to the project. So feel free to comment. We are hoping to merge this this week, and this was already discussed at the first as a first step in the contributors meetup last week. Next week we'll have the second contributors meetup. You're all welcome to join, and by then we hope to have this merge and keep implementing this process. It will take some time before we are used to working this way, but your comments are really appreciated for this. Right, any question, any comment? Oh, yeah, so next thing, I think it's also me. Yeah, it's if I can share my screen real quick, please. But yeah, it's a really lighting talk, like a true lighting real quick. Just basically to let you know that I've been working on what's happening with my screen. Okay, I've been working on since several weeks ago. I've been trying to wrap my head around the Flyte components and how they interact between each other, and because that I strongly believe that understanding the pieces helps with troubleshooting, helps with designing solutions, etc. So I will put this into an issue so everyone can comment. It's a work in progress, as you may see, and the intention here is probably not going over a finished product, but just to let you know that if you ever have felt the need to have some visuals in the docs, please let us know in the issue. I will also post this in the Slack community, because probably some folks out there are like myself, we're more visual. We need more visuals to understand the pieces. And what I've been trying to do with this diagram is to try to kind of follow a logical, it's a logical kind of diagram in terms that I try to illustrate the management plane, control plane, data plane, and what are the components there, what are the roles of each component. I I want to give thanks to the engineering team, to the core team, the maintainers team, who has helped me building this. It's not finished. I'm still working on it because sometimes it means just reading code to trying to translate that into a diagram. But yeah, again, it's meant to be a community sourced resource. If you have any questions, etc., please let us know in the issue that I will share after the call. But yeah, just sharing a bit of progress and what we're thinking about this. I don't know if there's any comment or question around this. Sales picture. Yeah, Kate can see all speaker videos pink. Okay, wow. I don't know. It's not like that my end. Probably some kind of filter. Not sure. Cool. But yeah, thank you for letting us know, Ethan. Okay. No comments or questions. I will send the issue after the meeting, and yeah, thank you.
Let's go through the links and resources now. You can schedule a 30-minute session on Calendly if you have any questions. We have slots on Wednesdays at 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. PT. Next slide, please. The next community sync is on April 4th. Engineers from Stripe will talk about their Flyte adoption journey. You can use the add event link to add the event to your calendar. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for your time and participation today. See you all at the next community sync.
Thanks all.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sam, everybody. Bye.